how to apply LipSense from SeneGence. Hi, I'm Bex, and I'm going to show you today how to apply your colour to your lips. So first things first, make sure that your lips are clean and dry. We don't want anything on your lips that might stop your lip colour from molecularly bonding to your lip. Next, get your colour. This today is called Fly Girl. It's a beautiful red, and shake the bottle to mix the pigment and the cosmetic grade alcohol together to get the best consistency to go on your lips, usually about 10 seconds. Take the lid off your bottle and then wipe off any excess on your brush. Then, in sweeping movements, go from one side of your lip to the other. Do not go backwards and forwards because you'll be wiping the colour off. You want the colour to bond to your lips. So going from one side to the other on your bottom lip and then again on your top lip. This is your first coat done. This is one of 3 coats that you'll do when applying your LipSense colour. Make sure to keep your lips apart, and then it should be dry after around 5 seconds. You can start to do your second layer. The application of your second layer is just the same as your first, always going the same way and making sure that you wipe the excess off your brush. So that's layer 2 done. Wait a few seconds and wait for that layer to dry before you start with your next layer. The next layer will be your third layer. It's exactly the same application, wiping the excess off your brush and going from one side to the other, the same way you've done the other 2 layers. And there we go, there's your third and final layer of your LipSense colour. This colour is called Fly Girl. It's a beautiful red in the LipSense range. Now I'm going to let this colour dry before I do anything more. Keep my lips apart. And I'm going to get a new product called Glossy Gloss. Glossy Gloss comes in your starter kit. It is what seals in your colour for the rest of the day, and also you can take it with you and wear through the day to keep your lips hydrated and moisturised. I'm going to kiss off the excess. This is what is on my waterline and is not going to dry. Using my lip wand, I can go backwards and forwards with my lip gloss, and that's going to seal my colour in for the day. And there we go. That is the application of 3 coats of Fly Girl, sealed in with my Glossy Gloss. Won't budge, won't smudge. I can kiss, and it's not going to come off. Absolutely stunning. Fly Girl LipSense with Glossy Gloss.